Ticketmaster tutorial. How to use Ticketmaster for beginners. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Ticketmaster and how you can use it quickly and easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is, if you haven't got an account, you're going to have to sign up and create an account. Now, it's relatively easy. All you're going to be doing is entering some personal information such as your email address. You're going to create a password, your first name, and then your second name. If you want to add anything additional to your account, we can go up to the right hand side over here. As you can see, there is a My Account option, and we can then just tap on that. As you can see now, it gives you a bunch of options from My Tickets right over here all the way to your profile, as well as your settings, the option to sign out, and then a help tab. So going into the first thing over here is My Profile. Now once you tap on that, you have your address details as well as your profile details. I'm going to tap on profile details and show you how you can change all of these details right over here. So first of all, we've got personal information, and on the top right hand side of that tab it says edit. Now once you tap that edit, you can now change all the details within that block. You also have your email address that you can now change. And as you scroll down, you can then change your password, and you can also enter a contact number which is not part of the initial startup when you sign up for a Ticketmaster account. Once you've done all that, you will have the option to save those changes, and then at the top of the page, right next to profile details, which we're in now, you'll have address details. Now over here is where you can save addresses. It says here you don't have to have an address saved. The address you have saved will be used for both billing and delivery for an existing or a new order. So all you have to do is tap on the add an address over here, and as you can see, it gives you the options over here to enter a company, address lines, postal code, town or city, your country, and also your state. Once you have entered all that information, you can tap on the save at the bottom of that tab. Now we're just going to go out and say cancel for now. The next thing we're going to have a look at is right over here on the left hand side. You can access my settings. So once that gets dropped down, there is a manage alerts option. Now this gives you the page that you are currently viewing. So first of all, you can change all the settings over here in terms of how you receive newsletters and marketing emails. You can also change your age and location. You can then also change some personalization details. So it says, to give you the best online experience, we store some information about you so that we may recommend you things we think you'll like and change how our site looks so it's unique to you. So that's fantastic. So the personalization tab, that is active, as you can see over here. And if you want to change that, all you need to do is tap on the edit over here, and then you can just unselect the allow personalization and just tap on save, and it'll give you the notification stating that your preferences have been changed. And so if you want to start a Ticketmaster account, that is the basics of how to actually set up the account. Now, in terms of actually looking for tickets and making purchases, let us go back to the home page, which we can do by just tapping on this Ticketmaster on the top left hand side over here, and it will now take you to this main page. Now, as you can see, there are a bunch of events up on your feed. So this will basically be events that are in your area according to your location and according to other details about your personalized profile. So having a look at, just for example's sake, we're going to have a look at this WXV2, which is a sporting event. Now, to gain extra information on this event, all we have to do is select the actual image that is above the name. So you're going to be able to buy tickets to this WXV2 event. And the way you're going to do this is you're going to go down and you can see all the details of the actual event. So right over here, you can see it gives a day, a date, a time. It also gives you the actual location, and then it tells you what exactly is happening on that particular day. So of course, these are 3 different dates. So there are 3 different events, and they are held over 3 different weekends. So what you can do here now is, if you actually are interested in buying a ticket over here, you can tap on find tickets on the right hand side. But before we do that, we're having a look over here on this page. At the top, there is an events tab which gives you all the details of this event. There is also an about tab which gives you a basic roundup of what the event is actually about if you are unfamiliar. And then there is also a frequently asked questions section which gives you the opportunity to have a look at some frequently asked questions and see a bit more information about the event itself. Now, getting back to actually purchasing a ticket, we are looking for these tabs over here that says find ticket. Now, of course, you're going to have to select the tab next to the day and details of the event that you would like to attend. And all you can do is tap on the find tickets tab, and on the next page, you can now start to make the purchase. So on the left-hand side, it gives you a venue map. And this is only for illustration purposes. It basically gives you a layout of where you will be buying your tickets for in the actual stadium. On the right hand side over here, there is a single ticket, and then there is a friends and family, which is a group of 4 ticket. Now, it's quite easy. All you need to do is tap on the plus sign and select however many tickets you'd like to purchase. And then you can basically just go back down to this tab and tap on find tickets. Now, once you tap on find tickets, it basically allows you to choose the space that you want to sit in for the actual event. So over here, it's giving us some details. It says, please note this item has already been added to your order. In order to buy the tickets you selected, it is required to buy this item. See the details below. So here are all the details over here. It also gives you your total right over there. And then what you can do is tap on I confirm that I've read, and you can tap on continue. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead now and start entering all of your address details, as well as then thereafter you will be entering your banking details or your billing information. And once that is done, you will be able to actually purchase the tickets itself. And depending on what the event is, you will either get a digital copy of the tickets, or you will actually have physical tickets delivered to you. And that depends specifically on the event itself. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking to start using Ticketmaster to make all your ticket purchases, this is the best video that you will have to watch to find out how to actually use Ticketmaster quickly and easily. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.